Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am sharing this simple and easy recipe to make sabudana fryams, also called as saggubiyam vadiyalu. The best part of this recipe is we don't have to sun dry or we don't have to cook ganji to make these fryams. Look at the perfect fryams made without cooking ganji and without sun drying. Just allow them to air dry for 2 days under the fan and the fryams are ready. This is such simple recipe to follow. To start with our recipe, measure 1 cup of sabudana. Here you can see this sabudana are very white in color, so make sure to take the ones that are white in color, not the transparent sabudana. Now add 1 cup of water to this and allow this sabudana to soak for about 5 to 6 hours. Here I soak this sabudana overnight so that I can use next day morning. By next day morning this sabudana are well soaked, and here you can see they are fluffed up and also they are very soft and become spaced when pressed between the fingers. As our sabudana are well soaked and ready, now take a vessel and measure 3 cups of water. Here I am using the cup that I used to measure the sabudana. Now add salt as per taste and allow this water to boil. Once the water reaches the rolling boiling stage, switch off the flame and keep it aside. Now to this boiled water add the soaked sabudana. Now cover this and allow to rest it for 1 hour. Here we are not cooking this sabudana, we are just allowing to rest it in hot water for an hour. Here after an hour our sabudana is well soaked in hot water. So now transfer this to a mixie jar and blend it into a smooth paste. Here I divided the entire sabudana into 2 portions and I am blending this in 2 portions. Now transfer this smooth sabudana batter to a bowl and blend the remaining sabudana as well. After grinding the second batch, add the batter to the same bowl and keep it aside. Now take 4 to 5 green chilli according to your spice levels and transfer to a blender, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now blend this into a coarse paste. Here green chili cumin paste is ready. So now transfer this coarse paste to the batter and give it a good mix so that this green chili and cumin combines well with this sabudana batter. With this our batter is ready, so immediately start making fryams without any delay, otherwise the batter will become very thick. Now take a clean polythene sheet and spread under the fan like this. Make sure to use only polythene sheet for this because we are not drying them under the sun. So if we use a cotton cloth, it will be very difficult to remove the fryams from the cotton cloth. So make sure to use the polythene sheet like this and take a spoonful of batter and start making vadiyalu or fryams like this. Don't smear it very thin because while deep frying they may absorb more oil if we smear it into very thin fryams. After completing the entire batter, allow them to air dry under the fan. Here you can see I am drying them in the hall itself on a carpet, so we don't have to sun dry them. By next day morning they are well dried and they are getting off the plastic sheet themselves very easily, and still there is a little wetness, so we need to dry them on the second day as well to dry them completely. To dry them on the second day, remove all of them from the plastic sheet and flip to the other side and allow them to dry. In case if you want to dry under the sun on the second day, just leave them under the sun just for an hour, not more than that. But if you're drying under the fan on the next day also, allow them to dry for 24 hours again. Here after 2 days of air drying under the fan, our fryams are ready. So now let's fry them in oil and see how they are. Look how perfect fryams can be made without cooking ganji and without sun drying also. So friends, try making this simple and easy sabudana fryams or saggubiyam vadiyalu because the homemade ones are much healthier than the store-bought ones. And do let me know in the comment section how you liked about them. If you like this recipe, please consider subscribing to Homemade Flavors and press the bell icon for more healthy and interesting recipes. This is Rupa signing off for today and see you in the next video. Thank you.